Students of Gonzaga Jesuit College, we came and we saw and we conquer. It is not easy to have 8 gold medals in the world, and we also have 3 silver medals. Please, can you people say hi to the world and people out there? I guess all of you are happy now. Yeah, thank you so very much. Good having you. It's been a wonderful outing. Thank you.
Did you hear that? Boy from Southeast Nigeria just became world best. This is the story the world needs to hear. Welcome to my channel. I am Azuka OJ. Brilliant young boys from the southeast of Nigeria just made history at the International STEM Olympiad in Rome, Italy. STEM Olympiad in Rome, Italy. They competed against students from over 150 countries in science, mathematics, and technology, and they came out on top. That's gold medal for Team Nigeria, and they qualified through the Southeast Mathematics Olympiad, which had over 11,500 students from Anambra, Enugu, Imo, Abia, and Ebonyi states. The trip was sponsored by Nigerian education advocate Alex Onyia. Let's hear from them after winning the competition.
Well, thank you. Now, my experience as let me just say it was quite shocking, because I didn't really expect myself to achieve this. It was very shocking. Me and my friend Emmanuel were just there, and before you know it, as they were calling out those gold medals, it was so shocking to realize that, wow, 2 of us made it global second, because the 2 of us at first we were so depressed because we didn't think we won anything until we just saw our names. So it was quite a shocking experience to just see that we won those. But overall, the experience was very nice. Winning gold was quite a shocker, but bronze too was also nice. Our school did exceptionally well, and that also shocked me to know that we all won 26 gold medals. Such a shocker. But I thank God Almighty for this. To be honest, last year I had heard of the competition, but I was quite shy to partake in it. Plus, at that time I was still in GS3, so I didn't want to get carried away. But this year, I really wanted to show myself out. I really wanted to participate in the exam because I just really wanted to go out and showcase our country. To find out that I had this opportunity, I decided to take it. I just wanted to do my best and do all I can. Now, for the preparation, I'd actually like to thank our school, Gonzaga Jesuit College, Okija, for all this, because they really did outstandingly well, giving us so much encouragement, so much coaching. It was really nice, because it was just they gave us so many resources, so many opportunities to read, study, and prepare for the exam. Our teachers who did fantastically well in coaching us, showing us past questions, and giving us so much tips and a lot of resources to effectively study for the exam. Gonzaga Jesuit College, Okija, it's a boarding school located, as I said, in Okija. The school environment is very interactive. It gives place for students to interact. It's a co-ed school actually, so it gives place for students to interact with, girls which are the opposite sex. It also gives rise for opportunities to partake in extracurricular activities, just like the STEM Olympiad exam, which I partook in. It gives place for that, which helps to bolster the school's image. For the teachers are exceptionally well. The thing is, I generally love all my teachers. Without them, I wouldn't say I'd be able to have achieved this achievement of mine. The school did so well in bringing these quality teachers to them, because each and every one of them do their best to coach us and to really give us the knowledge we need in life. The school environment in general is very interactive but very tough. The school doesn't do normal examinations that just are there to let students pass. They really give us tough questions that help assess our knowledge of various subjects and really test our skills in practical applications of those knowledge.
These boys didn't just win, they showed resilience, they showed focus, they showed what Igbo children are capable of when given the opportunity. Now, why should the world care about this story? Here are 3 reasons. Number 1, talent is everywhere. This proves that world-class talent is not only in London, New York, or Tokyo. It is in Okija, it is in Enugu, it is in Aba. The world needs to start looking to Africa for the next generation of scientists. Number 2, the Igbo spirit of excellence. The Igbo people are known for trade, for innovation, for Ibambo, that hustle and determination. These boys showed that same spirit in academics. They studied, they competed, and they conquered. Number 3, the challenge. Here's the truth. These children were sponsored by one private individual, not by government. Nigeria was recently downgraded at another international competition because of lack of funding. Now imagine what we could do if we actually invested in these kids. So I have 2 questions for you watching from anywhere in the world. Number 1, what do you think about these young champions? Drop a comment and congratulate them. Number 2, should governments in Africa do more to fund STEM education, STEM education? Let me know what you think. If you are Igbo, share this video with pride. If you are not Igbo, share it to show the world what's coming out of Nigeria. And a big shout out to Alex Onyia and the Southeast Mathematics Olympiad for making this happen. This is Igbo Area TV showcasing Igbo excellence to the world. Now, if you enjoy this story, hit the like button, subscribe, and share. We have more stories of innovation, culture, and pride coming your way. From Southeast Nigeria to the world, Anambra to Rome, we are just getting started. See you in the next one.
And what happened here today?
My name.
Yes, please.
My name is
Yeah. So how do you feel today being the second best in second grade? In science, in grade 10 in science, how do you feel today?
I feel okay. It's all about God and Jesus Christ.
Yeah.
It really helped me that day because I don't know what I would have done without.
All right. So what's your advice to your fellow students at Gonzaga now, and what do you intend to do next?
It's just you, your I'm grateful.
All right. Thank you. Thank you so very much. I understand you are the best, second best in the world now in grade 10 as far as science is concerned. How true is that? Can you confirm it?
Well, ma, at first I was very scared because I thought I had failed. But then when I heard my name, it really shocked me to my core because I knew I was writing the exam. I knew what I was thinking of writing. So when I didn't hear my name, I was really scared until I saw that it was from this. And I was really shocked. So I give thanks to God.
All right. So how do you feel now?
I feel very happy right now. And I feel like I will get beaten by my mom.
Oh, really? That's great. So what's your advice to your fellow Gonzaga Jesuit people there?
They should read their books and make asking questions.
All right. Thank you so very much. Nice having you around.